Welcome back to our Thirukkural series, where we explore the profound wisdom of the ancient Tamil text, Thirukkural. Today, we will be delving into Chapter 4, Song 3, which is all about the power of righteousness. In Song 3 of Chapter 4, Thirukkural emphasizes the importance of consistently doing what is right, no matter where you are or what situation you find yourself in. Let's dive into this powerful verse. Thirukkural Chapter 4, Song 3. Revered putruda iyaragitravura iyum matromon roman putketum. The verse highlights the importance of people who possess knowledge to also practice what they preach. Thirukkural stresses the importance of leading by example, as well as giving proper guidance. In other words, he is saying that those who have knowledge and speak the truth must always follow their own advice, and that they must also give advice to others in a way that is consistent with their own actions. If they do not, their words and guidance will lose their value and be useless. This verse is a call to action for us all. It reminds us that we must not only know what is right, but we must also actively live by it. We must strive to be examples of righteousness in everything we do, and in every situation we find ourselves in. Thank you for joining us today for this exploration of Thirukkural Chapter 4, Song 3. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we will continue to explore the profound wisdom of this ancient text. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Thirukkural videos, and share this video with your friends and family. Until next time, keep striving for righteousness in all that you do.